Berlin, a city with more layers of history than any museum wall can hold, and you're rushing past the Brandenburg Gate for a photo. Overpriced group buses, a guide rushing you past the Berlin Wall, past Checkpoint Charlie, reducing decades of division into a 2-minute soundbite. Uvamai's Berlin self-guided audio tour hands you the city's full story, from the Brandenburg Gate to the East Side Gallery. For just $6, your private access link arrives straight to you, 18 expert audio guides, and an interactive map ready whenever you are. No bus, no rush, your city, your pace. Stand at the Brandenburg Gate and hear the stories carved into its stone. Trace the Berlin Wall's fall through eyewitness accounts. Walk the Holocaust Memorial's field of Stille with context that brings its weight into focus. Wander Alexanderplatz, the East Side Gallery, and Checkpoint Charlie, every landmark finally told in full. Travelers from around the world have chosen Uvamai because they wanted to actually understand Berlin, not just photograph it. $6. Berlin's history, from Prussian gates to reunification. Your pace, your story. Get your access link now at uvamai.com.